Oh, God, no! Meyer 50 got it!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong and Indiana. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Special weather statement, and we
in
got it.
Central Pennsylvania, Jefferson County in West Central Pennsylvania, East Central Armstrong County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Clarion County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Forest County in Northwestern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Clarion, Brookville, Reynoldsville, Broadway, New Bethlehem, Sacresville, Falls Creek, Sligo, Big Run, Dayton, Strattonville. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 61 and 96. This storm has produced damaging wind and large hail. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook